Think managing diabetes has to be a complicated, lifelong battle? What if I told you some of the best tools for the job are probably in your grocery cart right now? We're about to uncover some powerful, science-backed foods that fight inflammation and can make controlling your blood sugar feel a whole lot less stressful. We've been so focused on sugar and carbs, but it turns out there's a hidden villain in the story of type 2 diabetes: chronic inflammation. Seriously, think of it like a small, constant fire burning inside your body. This fire doesn't just cause damage, it's a key reason your cells start ignoring insulin. And when your cells become insulin resistant, sugar gets stuck in your bloodstream, pushing those blood sugar levels up. It's a vicious cycle. But here's the good news. You can fight this fire, and your best fire hose is the food you eat. Study after study shows that a diet packed with anti-inflammatory foods can help your body listen to insulin again, giving you way better control over your blood sugar. So let's build your anti-inflammatory grocery list. Section 1. Fatty fish. First up, we're hitting the fish counter. I'm talking about delicious, fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, sardines, and trout. Why? Because they are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are like a cooling balm for that internal fire we talked about. They go to work fighting inflammation, which can help improve your insulin sensitivity and even guard against other diabetes-related issues. Just adding fatty fish to your plate 2 or 3 times a week is a huge step in the right direction for cooling that inflammation and taking care of your body. Section 2. Leafy greens and cruciferous vegetables. Next, let's load up our cart in the produce section with leafy greens and cruciferous veggies. Think powerhouse foods like spinach, kale, broccoli, and even Brussels sprouts. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants, which basically act like bodyguards for your cells. And can we talk about broccoli for a second? It's a true superstar because it has something called sulforaphane, a compound with some serious anti-inflammatory punch that can also help lower blood sugar. There's a reason the American Diabetes Association suggests filling half your plate with non-starchy vegetables like these. They're a cornerstone of a smart diet. Section 3. Berries. Craving something sweet that won't send your blood sugar on a wild ride? Berries are your answer. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, they're all low on the glycemic index, but absolutely bursting with fiber and powerful antioxidants known as polyphenols. These little compounds are proven inflammation fighters and can help improve how your body responds to insulin over time. Toss them on your oatmeal, blend them in a smoothie, or just eat them by the handful. It's a delicious, satisfying snack that's actively doing you good. Section 4. Nuts and seeds. Need a satisfying crunch that also helps your blood sugar? It's time to get friendly with nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are tiny nutritional giants. They deliver this amazing trifecta of healthy fats, fiber, and protein. Together, this team slows down digestion, giving you steady energy without a big glucose spike. Research has even connected eating nuts regularly with better A1C levels and improved insulin resistance. And it doesn't take much. Just a small handful a day can deliver these awesome anti-inflammatory and blood sugar stabilizing benefits. Section 5. Flavor with spices. Last but not least, let's open up the spice rack. Spices like turmeric, cinnamon, and ginger do so much more than make your food taste amazing. Turmeric has curcumin, a ridiculously powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can help dial down the inflammation tied to diabetes. Cinnamon is another hero, studied for its knack for helping lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. Just sprinkling a little cinnamon on your morning oatmeal or stirring turmeric into a soup is such a simple, tasty way to give your meals a serious inflammation-fighting boost. If you're finding this helpful and want to keep learning new ways to take charge of your health, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. And I'd love to know, what's your go-to anti-inflammatory food? Drop it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. So, you see,
While managing diabetes is a journey that requires a personalized approach, it doesn't have to feel like a battle defined by restriction. By focusing on adding these powerful, delicious, science-backed foods to your plate, you're actively fighting the inflammation that can fuel the disease. It's a total mindset shift, from focusing on what you can't have to celebrating what you can add to help your body heal from the inside out. It all starts with your next trip to the grocery store. You have the power to make your health journey better, one anti-inflammatory food at a time.